Hi everyone, today I'm going to make coconut smoothie. These are the ingredients I need. You see, coconut meat and coconut water. They all have been taken out from a coconut. First, I will cut the coconut meat into small pieces. Next, I'm going to toss coconut meat, coconut water, a splash of condensed milk, and ice into the blender. Some coconut water. A splash of condensed milk. And some ice. I close the lid. Now I press the button to turn the blender on. Now I press it to turn it off. And the last step, pour the smoothie into the glass. And the coconut smoothie is ready to enjoy.